Just wanted to do a quick video on removing the helmet lock and the toolbox on a CRF250L. Now with the helmet lock, these do not have any sort of pattern in the head. They are specifically made to be tamper-proof, so you can't remove them with normal tools, that is. So the way I did it is I took one of these easy outs, specifically this kind, because they're for they're better for like Allen head socket cap screws, that kind of thing. 7/32 bit for this specific kit, and then just as you loosen the screw, this has reverse spiral threads and it digs in and turns the bolt out. You might be able to get it with a normal easy out, or you could just drill the heads off of the threaded part of the screw and have it come off that way. Now the toolbox is a lot easier. All you need is an 8mm socket. There's one here, one bolt here, and then up in this corner there is another one. It's just those two, and then that toolbox comes right off. And this tab is part of the frame that does not come off unless you cut it off. So I just wanted to show that in case you wanted to put some kind of hard luggage on here, or an auxiliary fuel cell or anything like that.